I'm Jennifer Novak. As an environmental lawyer, one service that I offer clients is the ability to help them gauge when they have a problem and when they don't. What we see a lot is that people are afraid that if they start looking into whether their property is contaminated, there's just automatically going to be bad news. People are people, and most people would rather not get bad news, so they put it off for as long as they possibly can. But what happens when you can't keep putting it off? Recently, one of our clients came to us because they needed to sell a property in a very industrial area here in Southern California. And because of its location, buyers were worried that there was an undiscovered problem with the property, and our client started getting lowballed. Now, some people might have just assumed the worst and taken that offer, but we were able to work with the client and their consultant on a plan to see whether this was a worst case situation or whether buyers' fears were overblown. Now, in this situation, by doing that environmental testing, the client was able to get 4 times more than what they'd been offered, and it was 60 times more what they spent on their legal advice. Now, we can't promise that kind of result for everyone, but we were thrilled for our client. We felt like we provided a pretty valuable service. So the moral of this story is that you don't have to make these kinds of decisions alone. A few hours of an attorney's time could end up yielding a lot of value. And if you have any questions how a lawyer might be useful to you, just reach out and give us a call.